105 feet just refit. I'm Kaya with Minted Yachts, and 50% of Little White Bikini is for sale. Here is what is happening. An Arno Leopard 105 just came through a complete refit in Australia. She is heading to Miami in May. The current owner is covering transport. She arrives ready to earn. 50% ownership is available at $750,000. That is half of a 105-foot super yacht, U.S. Coast Guard documented, charter certified, safety compliant, sitting in one of the strongest boating markets in the world. She is not a project. She is a business ready to run from day one. And the new owners get the tax benefit at 100% bonus depreciation. The captain is already in Miami. The original captain, the one who ran her when the current owner first brought her on, he knows this boat and he knows this market. You are not starting from scratch. The refit is clean, modern, and built for the Miami charter scene. At $750 for 50%, with transport already covered and the captain already in place, this is a rare deal on an exceptional vessel. 50% of Little White Bikini, available now. Get the full ownership details at mintedyachts.com. I'm Kaya. Go find your water.
For additional information, please feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com.